Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this Skoda Yeti diesel. It's the very first one we've ever had, and I've driven it and looked at it. They're fantastic cars. I see what the people rave about them for. Beautiful bodywork around the car, alloy wheels, drives absolutely spot on, privacy glass to the rear. I've been told the tow bar's over £500, so we've left it on. I can take it off. Really is in lovely condition. Boot area is in nice condition. Parcel shelf, bumper protector, seats. It's got the Yeti mats there as well. Electric windows, mirrors. It's done 102, 944 miles. Starts up lovely. All the warning lights go on and off. It's got multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, touch screen. Got your menu with your Bluetooth apps and settings set up. That looks like DAB to me. Media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning, traction control, USB AUX, armrest here. It's been well looked after. It does not look like it's age or mileage. Bit of storage space there. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.